Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tofunmi. If you're new here, this is not where you should start this video from. There's a video you should watch. There's a part 1 of this video. This is the sewing to and stitching together part. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to stitch together this piece. Let's get right into it. So here are the pieces. This is the back piece. As you can see, the center back and the side back. This is the back pieces. I went ahead to cut it out on my lining fabric also, and I added my allowance directly on the fabric. So what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to join all of the main fabric together and all of the lining pieces together. So all the main pieces, I'm going to sew it alone. I'm going to sew the lining pieces alone. I'll do that and come and show you guys. After stitching together, this is what it looks like. This is the back piece of the main fabric, and this is the lining piece for the back piece. Can you see? I've gone to join it together, and I've stitched everything together and I ironed them properly. This is one part of the front piece, and also this is the lining part of the front piece. Remember that I said that half of the lining part for the front piece is going to be doll face because of the turning on the collar. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to join the front piece and the back piece together for the main fabric, and I'm going to do the same thing for the lining piece. So I'm going to join it together and taking all of my allowance. While doing this, I'm going to make sure that I'm using this exact same inseam allowance for both the main piece and the lining pieces. And here is what we have. So I've gone to join all of the lining pieces together so it forms a whole one. Remember that we are turning it completely, and this is what the main fabric also looks like. As you're joining it, please make sure to iron it properly so that it lays flat. You know what we are making is a suit, so you don't want your suit looking all over the place. You want it to be neatly joined and flatly ironed. So here's what we have right now. The next thing I'm going to do now is to stitch the shoulders together so that I can join my collar. So I'm going to stitch the shoulders together for the main fabric, and I'm also going to do the same thing for the lining fabric. So I'm going to go ahead and join my collar to my main fabric and also to my lining fabric. Now this is what I have after joining both. I've joined everything completely. I've joined the collar to the lining fabric and to the main fabric. What I'm now going to do right now is to join both together, right sides facing each other. I'm going to turn the right sides facing each other. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to pin it down to make sure that everything aligns so that nothing is not in place. Everything is in place, everything aligns. So I'm going to use them to turn each other, and I'll bring you back to show you guys. Guys, I didn't know my phone stopped recording, storage issues. So here it is. I didn't turn the sleeves with the dress because I wasn't going to line the sleeves. Remember that this is just a practiced fabric, so this is what we have. And I just pleated the lower parts on it and I attached my button. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.